Ability Financial Exchange is a two-way integration between QuickBooks Financial and QuickBooks Point of Sale. So the benefit of Ability Financial Exchange is it allows the business owner to position QuickBooks Financial to serve as your statement of record. That means when you're going to run your business intelligence, your business performance management, you're running it from your financial software as opposed to your point of sale software. If you make an inventory adjustment in either QuickBooks Financial or QuickBooks Point of Sale, it'll update the other program. If you add a customer in QuickBooks Point of Sale, it will add that customer in QuickBooks Financial. The same goes for vendors, sales orders, and purchase orders. The sync can occur every 5 minutes, every 15 minutes, or every 60 minutes. As a business owner, if you're spending a lot of time out of your storefront, you may not be aware of inventory items that you're low on, but that's a critical piece of your business. And QuickBooks Online makes it very easy to identify items that are low in stock. Now this is where it gets really exciting. Now that you have that purchase order in QuickBooks Point of Sale, that inventory, that delivery is going to be made to your storefront. Not only does AFE update your inventory in QuickBooks Online, but then it creates a bill to pay the vendor for that purchase order that was delivered. If anybody wants to learn more about Ability Financial Exchange, they can call us, email us, and one of our consultants is happy to walk through the entire solution with you.